If you miss credits during the school year, or you are looking for credits to advance and graduate ahead of schedule, Excel High School is the place for you. Why spend time attending traditional school when you can sleep in, enjoy the beach, camping, or enjoy other summertime activities? For most students, the last place you want to spend summer is on campus. So why not attend summer school online? Excel's middle and high school courses are 100% online and can be accessed from anywhere and on any device. All you need is 5 to 6 hours per week and high-speed internet. The best part is, you can log into summer courses any time of the day or night and study on your terms. Students control their course schedule and pace. Online summer school provides students with a chance to continue their education, accelerate learning, and catch up on coursework. In recent years, online summer school programs have become increasingly popular, offering students more flexibility and convenience. Here are some benefits of attending summer school online. Flexibility. Online summer school allows students to complete their coursework at their own pace and on their own schedule. This can be especially beneficial for students who have summer jobs or other commitments, like the beach or spending time camping. Accessibility. Online summer school provides access to courses that may not be available in traditional summer school programs. This can be particularly useful for students who live in remote areas or have limited access to transportation. Personalized learning. Online summer school can offer personalized learning experiences that cater to the individual needs of students. This is especially useful for students who may need extra help or who want to work at a faster pace. Cost-effective. Online summer school programs are often more cost-effective than traditional summer school programs, as they eliminate the need for commuting and on-campus housing. Academic acceleration. Online summer school allows students to take advanced coursework, allowing them to accelerate their academic progress and prepare for college or other future academic pursuits. Increased engagement. Online summer school programs can offer students a more interactive and engaging learning experience, as they can take advantage of multimedia and other online resources. Overall, Excel's online summer school provides students with a flexible and convenient way to continue their education and achieve academic success. By taking advantage of the many benefits of online summer school, students can make the most of their summer break and prepare for future academic success. Excel offers over 100 accredited online courses with open enrollment, which means you can enroll today and start immediately. Don't let your summer slip away. Enroll now